Sorry, I thought I was recording. I was not. So, woo, there you go. Bright light. So that's interesting. So I kind of forgot. I knew I was supposed to do something else today. So I started to do the cleaning of my stove. But so I sprayed my spray and it pretty much, I'll have to do it again, but it's kind of cool what it did. Like, my stove was super messy and I'm going to show you. Don't be judgmental. See the pool? Right? All of that used to be up the sides and in the back. And it just pooled to the center because I sprayed my spray and then I have to go in and scrub it. That is actually the first time I've seen it do that, but usually I don't let it sit very long, so I let it sit overnight and do its thing. And so now I can go in and clean this. So I'm just curious as to how much will come off. So let's see if it'll still come off. If it'll be easier to clean. I think yes to some of it, but I think I need to spray more spray. I'm glad I opened it. I wasn't going to use it or anything. I just remembered. So I'm going to spray my spray again. I just ain't in the mood to be given elbow grease. It's not super... If you got a face mask, the face mask on. Yes, it is. Alright, I'm going to shut you off and I'm going to cook. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to pull you guys with me. This has been a long day. But, I thought it would be. Okay, so... in one of my videos that'll go up, you guys will see that I sprayed my oven and it came off pretty easily. I did it overnight, so I ended up doing it 2 nights in a row, and I pretty much went in with my little technique and it pretty much just wipes off. Like, you can see the dirt in the back. I don't know if I need to see you to zoom you or what. But I think you can see it really well. But it's pretty darn clean and it comes out easily. Without having to scrub it. So I figured it out. It's up to you guys whether or not you use it, I guess. I haven't had any problems. The one thing that I like to do after I do this little technique is I like to run my oven to burn it off any toxic nonsense that might be left behind. So if you know if I'm saying these words, then it's probably not a good idea. So, I don't know, I just kind of want you guys to catch how, like, it just wipes off. It just wiped right off. I'm going to lift that up, and then I'm just going to wipe it. I repeat, I did not scrub my oven at all. So, that was the one thing I hate about cleaning my oven, is it took too long. And it required more of me than I really wanted to give. So, that might sound ridiculous, but I'm too old to be putting in so much elbow grease, especially for a stove. But
But did you see how that just wiped it right out? See how easy that was? So you do have specks in here still. That's just really difficult to come out. I need like a scraper of some sort. Maybe like, I'm thinking like a plaster scraper. I don't actually have one of those on hand. So, with that being said, it's just gonna be down here and what's left in the oven that doesn't come off easily will actually stay. But no elbow grease, as we like to call it. So I just, like I said, I sprayed it once and I let it sit all night and even into the next day. And then
clips, you'll see fixing my washer and I'm fixing my dryer. My washer kept going off balance and my dryer stopped heating. Yes, I could go get a new one. I don't like to waste money like that. I like to, if I can do it myself, I just do it. So that's what you see me doing, fixing them. I repeat, I am not professional. Be an intermission day, so I'm not gonna cook today. Today is usually a leftover day, but I do have things that I need to do and I figure you guys could come with me. Well, what I need to do is I have to fix my dryer. I'll angle you guys down here so you can see it, so I'm gonna let you guys watch me just until my camera dies. Once it dies, that's it. So and then it's not heating, so I'm going to fix it. I've fixed it once. This will be the second time fixing it. They just don't make the material good anymore, and it's a hassle. So now I'm trying to keep and maintain that. So I'm just gonna fix this dryer myself. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me fix it until my camera dies, and when my camera dies, that's just gonna be the end kaput. Oh, and I don't know if I told you what was wrong with the problem with the dryer is that it doesn't heat